Is soy good for you? The benefits and risks of eating tofu. Tofu often stands tall as a nutritional superstar, but does it truly live up to the hype? Whether you're aiming to boost protein intake or navigate plant-based living, understanding the science behind soy is key. Stick around for facts, busted myths, and actionable insights to smartly enjoy tofu. Tofu is packed with protein, low in calories, and brimming with essential nutrients like iron and calcium. For vegans and vegetarians, it's a staple alternative to animal protein. But beyond being versatile in the kitchen, many praise tofu for its connection to improved heart health and quinoa-level nutrition status. Soy, the main ingredient in tofu, boasts isoflavones, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. Research suggests these compounds may lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and contribute to bone health. But is there a hidden downside to this widely consumed food? Let's break it all down. Tofu can positively impact heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels, promoting smoother blood flow, and reducing heart disease risk. It's also rich in amino acids, making it a fantastic choice for muscle recovery and repair after exercise, an ideal staple for fitness enthusiasts. Calcium and iron in tofu contribute to strong bones and healthy red blood cell production. Plus, it's high in antioxidants, which combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Clearly, the benefits are impressive, but let's take a closer look at the risks. Soy contains phytates, anti-nutrients that can mildly interfere with mineral absorption. However, a balanced diet offsets this impact. Concerns about soy and thyroid function arise due to its goitrogens, which may disrupt iodine absorption, but this is rare if iodine needs are met through other foods. The biggest myth? Soy's impact on hormones. Isoflavones in soy mimic estrogen, leading to fears about hormone imbalance. Yet, studies show moderate consumption doesn't feminize men or drastically alter hormones. Most health experts agree tofu is safe when eaten in reasonable portions. Experts suggest sticking to 1-2 servings of soy daily, which equals about half a block of tofu or 1 cup of soy milk. Moderation ensures you enjoy the benefits without concerns about overconsumption. Combining tofu with a variety of whole foods helps build a balanced, nutrient-dense diet. Tofu is undoubtedly a nutritional powerhouse when consumed mindfully and in balance with other food groups. For most, it's a fantastic option for protein, heart health, and reducing inflammation. The key takeaway? Listen to your body and vary your diet to reap the benefits of diverse nutrients. Now that you know the facts, it's time to take a closer look at your diet. Try incorporating tofu into creative recipes, from stir-fries to smoothies, and share your experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed nutritional insights. Let's make smarter, healthier choices together.